Hey guys, thanks for taking the time to watch our washer and dryer training video. I want to introduce the easiest part of learning the appliance repair industry, which is washers and dryers. Also, they're the two most serviced and repaired appliances you're going to encounter in the appliance repair industry. Washers and dryers are the easiest and the fastest way to learn how to troubleshoot and repair appliances. After owning 4 businesses, I can truly say that this thumbnail is a very true statement. In a couple of minutes, you're going to see exactly what's included in our washer and dryer training course. But for now, here are 10 reasons why we feel like you should take our washer and dryer training. Number 1, as I said earlier, it is always in demand. 2, top 2 most repaired appliances in the appliance repair industry. It's the easiest to learn in a very short time, and it's not hard to do. The average repair is 30 minutes if you're not skilled, and 20 to 30 once you get a little practice. It's also, for those of you that are concerned about hands-on training, the easiest way that I know of to receive hands-on training in the appliance repair industry. Unlimited income potential. As you see on the thumbnail, you average $200 to $300 a day. Now we show you exactly how to do that. That does require minimum marketing. Some of it free, some of it you may want to pay. We include that in our course. Job security or new career choice. For those of you that are considering changing jobs or wanting to relocate, primary or secondary, that's up to you. You can do it full-time or part-time. Start your own small business that you can be proud of. And the other thing I truly love about this industry or trade, it works anywhere. Any city, any state, and any country. Appliances are the same. Once you're trained, once you receive the training that you need and gain the confidence, you can do this anywhere. Selling used appliances is also in the course. And then again, as I said earlier, for those of you that are on the fence, want to be an appliance tech, but you've been listening to other guys, other programs trying to scare you into believing that this is an extremely difficult course, not so. We offer 2 free bonuses at the time of making this video. I'm sure it's going to change in the future. But for right now, you get the Appliance Tech Pro for free, and you're going to love that one. And selling used appliances. Here are a couple of the video thumbnails that you're going to encounter in our washer and dryer training course, and how we teach you to pre-diagnose the appliance even before you see it. And then we go a little bit further and teach you the top 5 reasons of why that appliance is having that problem. Like, for instance, an electric dryer will not start. Here's the top 5 things that you should be checking, and once you get there, normally you'll find your answer within about 5 to 10 minutes. So what's included in the Cornerstone Appliance Repair Washer and Dryer Training course? As you can see here, you've already seen the fundamentals of washer and dryer repair training course, and you're going to get things like appliance troubleshooting basics, washing machine repair basic and advanced, dryer, top load, front load, gas, hands-on training made easy. You're going to learn a little about schematics, wiring diagrams. We offer a certification certificate for those of you that are interested. And as you already know, the average, once you get good at it and know how to market your business, $200 to $300 a day. Also in the course is it takes about 2 to 4 weeks if you do it full-time, part-time, 5 to 7, totally up to you. Some of you may actually finish it even quicker. And then in the course itself, here is the course syllabus. You get the washer and dryer training course orientation. We tell you how to use the membership, appliance tools, and test instruments. Everything you see here, I won't read each and every line. I know you can read. And then module 3, basic electricity, circuit, basic electricity, basic wiring. We teach you a little bit about circuit boards and panels. Also, electronics, basic, troubleshooting washers and dryers, how to do it simple, step by step in our videos. Also, washer and dryer parts. The parts we recommend that you carry, they're a minimum to start with, and you can add as you like. Fuses, switches, relays, heating elements, some solenoids, capacitors. And then scroll on down to number 7, how to read schematics the easy way. Appliance Tech Pro is going to help you tremendously with this. And then there's a final exam, like I said earlier, for those of you that want to take the final exam. We do have practice tests throughout the training course. You must score 80% or higher. And then once you do that, you can take the final exam. We send you to another secure website, and then you must score 90%. It's free at this time. You get at least 2 chances to achieve that. And then, of course, there's the Appliance Tech Pro you're going to get for free, and the sell and used appliances. And that's what you get with our course. This course is super, super cheap. All you have to do is click on the link below or go to our website, which you'll see some links and thumbnails here shortly, and then you'll be able to purchase the course. It is lifetime membership. If you have any problems or questions, we're more than happy to answer them for you. Thanks again, guys, for taking the time to watch our video. Don't forget, you can visit our website at cornerstoneappliancetrainingcourse.com to purchase this course, or click on one of the links below. Also, if you haven't subscribed, I would appreciate it if you would. We will have more videos in the coming future. And as always, if we can help you in any way, don't hesitate to reach out and let us know. And as always, be blessed and be encouraged.